bathroom.
Blackbeard.
Friendly operator remaining.
Right, there's Habana and Blackbeard coming up right on you.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb.
Blackbeard's coming up to your left. Habana, Fuse outside. Blackbeard in master bedroom still. Blackbeard coming out. You have a diffuser right in front of you.
I'm so.
Oh, you're fine. You got a greasy camera, they can't see you apparently. We should really stop pinging. Fuse in kids room. Blackbeard coming up, he's on hatch. Blackbeard pushing up to the soft wall. Soft push door. They don't have diffuser yet. It's on bathroom. Fuse is coming up. He's on the stairs, top of stairs. Top of stairs, peeking the holes. Nice. Injured. Someone might be coming below you. Buck and Blackbeard. Whew. Buck's coming up base of stairs. Moving back to the kitchen. Coming up white stairs. West. Looks like he's got cameras. Oh my god! Holy G!
Good shit, dude.
Thanks, buddies. Ela Shotgun's OP.
That's a fucking ace right there. I told you.